First unofficial Typhmas. As you can see, you can see this title and it says unofficial. So there's no Western Pacific updates, and it will start on September 1 with the Western Pacific updates. So the first one thing is the North American update. So you see right here is just these just rains, and you can possibly see at the end of the screen is a category 4 or 5 storm. Is it possible is to hit a category 5? It may be the first category 5 ever seen. Look at this. This is the time. Look at this. It's just 933 millibars or HPs. So that's very low. That's very low. Well, right here is a total accumulated PIF on November 23. You can see right here is just there's small yellows on the eastern there near Russia and near Mexico and right there is near Central America, and when in the screen it will be so much that the Mexico is almost and other states of the United States are just completely almost covered. Like you can't even see the white now, just a little bit. Here is how it is Norm Lady. You can see right here is a lot of red things, and you can see just here is just a little blue and just the red all over the ground. So right there is, you can see another tropical cyclone forming. You see another one, and you can see at the end of the screen, you can see right there, it's another storm. It's that storm that we talked about it earlier, and it becomes about dark blue. And at the end of the screen, you can see it's just a lot of blue in the North Atlantic, in the northeastern Atlantic, Mexico and Texas, New Mexico, and I don't know about these states, but I don't know about America. So okay, here's our vertical. So you can see a red thing. So this is just original. So a lot of just owls. It's just going through. But at the end of the screen, you can see just minus 1.2. You can see. This is crazy. Wow. And high monopoly is it's white all in the southern thing, and you can see a pink one which is basically a thing, and basically these are just there are not even storms in the northern hemisphere. They're just norms. But it's not even joking. It's not even funny at all. Then this storm is coming, and then you can see right there is a storm, and it's so large. Just oh my god. For 250 million volt and wind, I'm just taking this too seriously. Look at this. It's just yellow, green, or red. But when you see at the end of the screen storm, it's just color red. I'm not even kidding. I'm not even kidding. I'm not even kidding at all. I'm not kidding. Just I make sure that I'm not kidding. And there it goes. For the lower dynamics, for the forecast trend, winds are affecting right now in Canada, and in the United States, and don't ask why, because it's so stupid. And you see there's another storm, it's just very blue. I'm blue, da boo dee ba boo die. For height and MLCP, you can see right there is it's a color black, it's a color red, and the yellow is now getting really large in the Eastern Pacific, while it's on the United States and Texas. Well, red is now effective right there. Then you can see another storm is just forming, and it just starts to form and begins with color yellow, green, and blue. Just like in the Northern Hemisphere right here. When we begin the Northern Hemisphere, you start to become shocked, just like another one. For 850, I don't know, temperature higher than hemisphere, it's just no idea. This is just blue, and yellow and orange. But if I perfectly see a pink or a purple, I don't know. I thought I was going on with it. For 2M temperature, it's shaded and this the blue is just effective, and what others are just Mexico, Brazil, South America, and Central America's states are just red, and that would be our North American update for Typhmas, and thank you for watching. I'm the Australia. Good night.